Hi and welcome to episode number 532 with whatsforchow.com. Dominican deep-fried chicken or Pica Pollo is quite different to the fried chicken we are accustomed to. The chicken is pre-cooked in a flavor pot, then lightly coated and deep-fried to crispy golden yummy. For the flavor pot, crush the garlic, measure the salt, cut 3 sprigs of parsley, squeeze the lime juice and cut the red onion in half. Add the water to the pot along with the chicken drumsticks and all of the aforementioned ingredients. Place the pot over medium-high heat and bring this to a boil. Reduce the heat and simmer the chicken for 15 minutes. For the seasoned coating, measure out the white pepper, dried oregano and salt. Add this to the flour and mix this in thoroughly. Remove the drumsticks from the flavor pot and allow them to cool for a few minutes. Working with a couple of drumsticks at a time, drop them into the flour, pop the lid on the container and shake it up to coat the chicken. Remove the lid, shake off any excess flour from the drumsticks and transfer these to a platter while you continue with the remaining pieces. Half fill a large pot or wok with oil and heat this to 170 Celsius or 340 Fahrenheit. Fry the drumsticks in batches until they are lightly golden and crispy. This will take about 4 to 6 minutes. Remove the chicken from the oil and drain any excess oil on kitchen paper. Continue until all of the drummies are complete. Serve the chicken immediately with a super cold beer and the accompaniments of your choice. Thanks for joining us today. Please click the like button, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and share this with your friends and family. And we'll see you again tomorrow.